With the motor's mounted base, we will need the mobile holder and one 1/4 inch screw. Place the mobile holder on the center of the car base. Flip the car base and the mobile holder around. Ensure the mobile holder's screw slot is at the center of the acrylic slot. Use the 1/4 inch screw to secure the mobile holder to the car base. Here we need another mobile holder, side pillar acrylic, and two 1/4 inch screws. Secure the side pillar acrylic to the car base mobile holder using 1/4 inch screw. Secure another mobile holder at the top of the side pillar using another 1/4 inch screw.